Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In this puzzle page of the weekend edition of Sunday, March the 31st, the 30th, and Sunday the 31st, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and the binary Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. It's the Tectonic, aka JigsawSudoku. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one will be number 8279. 279. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Well, I think it's a 1-star, maybe, or 2-star puzzle. For a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For a 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is a 2 stars or a 1-star puzzle. So let's get started. Let me see. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have one dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. So that box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. More dual boxes? No. How about triple boxes? I see here only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers and need more information. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Let me mark those. Okay. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the Z construction. Let me draw the Z construction here. Yeah. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright. Z construction. How about we have only one Z construction here. The next shape. How about the T shape? The T shape. Let me draw the T shape here then. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. But also, that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Okay. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The T shape. Do we have more T shapes here? Another T shape. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Yeah. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. With more? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have one shape left. This shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6 here. We have all the shapes in this puzzle. And the question is why you need to know those shapes. Why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Then. These 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box. It should be also a 2. Is also connected with this box. Should be also 2. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or a 3. We have a double 1 there, double 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Okay. Then this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this triple box should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4, okay. Here, 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Is connected with that box, should be so 4 and 5, but we already have a 5 here, so it can be 5 anymore. It should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Alright. Here we have a 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes in there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 3, because give me 1, give me 2, should be a 3. Give me 4, give me 5, yes, definitely 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this cross area should be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and 2. 4 and a 2, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes and there. Then 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 5. I think this box should be a 3, because give me 1, give me 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5, yes, definitely 1. I think this box should be a 4, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 4. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be, and a 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. Is also connected with this box, should be also a 3. Alright, these two boxes can be a 5. Those two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left with a 5 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. I think this box should be a 3, because give me 1, give me 2, should be 3, give me 4, give me 5, yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, not the 2 stars, not the 1 star, should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. Yeah, a 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, we will meet again tomorrow on Easter Day, yes. So on this Holy Saturday, yes. Have a great and fantastic Holy Saturday. We will meet again on Easter Day, yes. Easter Sunday. So until then, bye bye for now.